Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a very special tool that has made options trading much simpler and safer for many people in India. This tool is called Sensibull. Think of it as your best friend in the stock market, especially if you are just starting your journey with options. Sensibull's main goal is to help you make smarter trading decisions without getting lost in all the complicated numbers and charts. It takes the complex world of options and presents it in a way that is easy to understand. It was created with the belief that everyone should have access to powerful trading tools, not just the big experts. So, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by options, this guide is for you. Sensibull is essentially an options trading platform. It connects with your existing stockbroker, like Zerodha, Angel One, or many others, and adds a layer of intelligence and simplicity on top. You don't trade directly on a new, separate platform. Instead, you enhance your current trading account with its powerful features. This makes it incredibly convenient because you don't have to move your funds or open a new demat account. The platform is designed for both beginners who are taking their first steps and intermediate traders who want to refine their strategies. It helps you analyze the market, find good trading opportunities, build strategies, and manage your risk, all from one place. It truly aims to be a one-stop shop for retail options traders. So, who is this platform for? It's for the curious student who wants to learn about options without losing money. It's for the working professional who wants to trade part-time but needs reliable tools to save time. It's also for the seasoned trader who wants to use advanced analytics without building complex spreadsheets themselves. Sensibull provides features like pre-built strategies, which are like ready-made recipes for trading. It also offers a powerful strategy builder for those who want to create their own custom plans. The entire platform is built around the idea of managing risk, which is the most important lesson in trading. It constantly reminds you of your potential profit and loss, so you always trade with your eyes wide open. In this guide, we will walk through Sensibull step by step. We will explore each important feature one by one. I will explain everything in simple, everyday language, just like we do on my YouTube channel. We will look at the dashboard, understand the option chain, learn how to build strategies, track our trades, and use the amazing learning resources. By the end of this journey, you will feel much more confident about using Sensibull to navigate the world of options trading. Let's get started and unlock the power of simple and sensible trading together. Remember, the goal is not just to trade, but to trade wisely. When you first log into Sensibull, the first screen you will see is the dashboard. Think of this as your morning newspaper for the market, giving you all the important headlines at a single glance. It's designed to be clean and clutter-free, so you don't feel overwhelmed with too much information. The main purpose of the dashboard is to give you a quick snapshot of what's happening in the market right now. You will immediately see how the major indices like Nifty and Bank Nifty are performing. It shows you whether the market is up or down and by how much. This immediate feedback helps you get a feel for the market's mood for the day, which is a crucial first step before making any trading decisions. On the dashboard, you will also find a section that suggests strategies based on your market view. This is one of Sensibull's smartest features. It asks you a simple question. What is your view on Nifty? You can choose from options like up, down, neutral, or volatile. Based on your answer, Sensibull's AI will instantly suggest a few low-risk option strategies that are suitable for that view. For example, if you think Nifty will go up, it might suggest a bull call spread. It will also show you the maximum profit, maximum loss, and the funds needed for each suggestion. This is incredibly helpful for beginners who know where the market might go, but don't know which strategy to use. Another key part of the dashboard is the Easy Options section. This is designed for absolute beginners who might find even strategy names complicated. Here, you can simply buy a call or put option on Nifty, Bank Nifty, or other popular stocks with just a few clicks. Sensibull makes it safer by clearly showing you the maximum possible loss, which is the premium you pay. There is also a quick look at upcoming events, like company results or RBI policy announcements. Knowing about these events is vital because they can cause significant price movements in the market. The dashboard neatly organizes this information so you are always aware of what's ahead. Finally, the navigation menu bar, usually at the top of the screen, is your gateway to all the other powerful tools on the platform. You will see clear tabs like Positions, Strategies, Option Chain, and Learn. This simple layout makes it very easy to move around the platform. You don't have to hunt for features. They are all laid out logically. The dashboard acts as your home base, and from here, you can dive deeper into any specific area you want to explore. It sets the stage for a well-informed trading session by giving you a solid overview before you place your first trade. Now let's talk about one of the most important tools for any options trader, the option chain. For many new traders, the option chain can look like a scary wall of numbers, but Sensibull has done a fantastic job of making it user-friendly and easy to read. The option chain is basically a list of all the available call and put options for a particular stock or index like Nifty. It shows you different strike prices and their corresponding option premiums for various expiry dates. Sensibull's option chain is special because it provides real-time data, which means the prices you see are constantly updating with the live market. This is crucial for making timely and accurate trading decisions. When you open the option chain on Sensibull, you will see call options on the left side and put options on the right side, with the strike prices listed in the center. The in-the-money options are usually highlighted with a light shade, making them easy to spot. But what makes Sensibull's chain so powerful are the extra details it provides right there. You can see key data points like open interest, which tells you how many contracts are currently open and the change in open interest for the day. This helps you understand where the big players are placing their bets. You can also see the implied volatility, which gives you an idea of how much the market expects the price to move. One of the best features of the Sensibull option chain is the ability to filter and customize your view. You don't have to look at all the data at once. You can choose to see only the most relevant information. For instance, you can switch the view to see the option Greeks, such as Delta, Gamma, Theta, and Vega, right next to each strike price. This is extremely useful for intermediate traders who want to analyze the risk and reward of their positions more deeply. You can also quickly switch between different expiry dates, from weekly to monthly, to see how option prices change over time. This flexibility allows you to focus on the information that matters most for your specific trading style. Moreover, you can trade directly from the option chain itself. Next to each option premium, you will find buy and sell buttons. When you hover over a price, a small window pops up showing you the required margin, maximum profit, and maximum loss for that trade. This integration of analysis and execution is a huge time saver. You can analyze a strike price, check its risk profile, and place an order all in one smooth workflow without ever leaving the screen. This makes the entire process efficient and reduces the chance of making errors while switching between different tabs or windows. Sensibull's option chain is not just a data table. It's an interactive trading and analysis tool. This is where Sensibull truly shines. The platform offers a fantastic strategies section that helps you build your trading plan, whether you are a beginner or an expert. This section is broadly divided into two parts: pre-built strategies and a custom strategy builder. Let's first look at the pre-built strategies. These are like ready-made trading plans designed for different market scenarios. If you are new to options, this is the perfect place to start. You don't need to know the complex names of strategies like straddles or iron condors. Instead, you just have to decide on the market's direction. Sensibull simplifies it by asking for your view on Nifty or a stock. For example, if you believe Nifty will not move much and will stay in a range, you can select the neutral or sideways view. Sensibull will then present you with a list of suitable strategies, such as a short strangle or an iron condor. For each strategy, it will clearly display the probability of profit, the maximum potential profit, the maximum possible loss, and the total funds required to place the trade. This clear and concise information helps you compare different strategies and choose one that fits your risk appetite. It takes the guesswork out of trading and empowers you with data-driven suggestions, making the process much less intimidating for newcomers. On the other hand, if you are an experienced trader or want to experiment with your own ideas, you can use the strategy builder. This is a powerful tool that gives you complete control. It's like a blank canvas where you can create any multi-leg option strategy you can imagine. You can start from scratch, adding different call and put options with various strike prices and expiry dates. As you add each leg to your strategy, the builder instantly calculates and displays a payoff graph. This graph is a visual representation of your potential profit or loss at different price levels of the underlying asset at expiry. This visual feedback is incredibly valuable for understanding the true nature of your strategy. The strategy builder also provides a detailed analysis of your custom strategy. It shows you the combined premium, the maximum profit and loss points, the break-even points, and the overall probability of profit. You can also see the combined Greeks for your entire position, which helps in managing your risk exposure to changes in price, time, and volatility. Once you are satisfied with the strategy you have built, you can place all the orders in one go with a single click. This feature, often called a basket order, sends all the individual legs of your strategy to the broker at once, ensuring better execution and saving you from the hassle of placing multiple orders manually. Once you have placed a trade, the job is not over. In fact, it has just begun. Successful trading involves closely monitoring your open positions and managing them wisely. Sensibull has a dedicated positions tab that makes this process honestly incredibly simple and effective. This section gives you a live, real-time view of all your open trades that you have executed through your broker, whether you place them via Sensibull or your broker's own terminal. It pulls the data directly from your trading account and organizes it in a clean, easy-to-understand format. You can see your overall profit and loss for the day, as well as the profit and loss for each individual position. The true power of the Positions tab lies in its analytical capabilities. It doesn't just show you your profit and loss, it helps you understand why your numbers are changing. For each of your positions, especially for complex, multi-leg strategies, Sensibull provides a detailed breakdown. You can see the payoff graph for your live strategy, which shows you exactly where the current market price is in relation to your break-even points. This kind of visualization really helps you see how far you are from profit or loss. It also shows you the live values of the option Greeks for your entire position. This is super crucial for advanced traders who want to manage their delta, theta, or vega exposure actively. Another fantastic feature in the Positions tab is the What If analysis. This tool allows you to simulate how your position's profit and loss would change under different scenarios without actually doing anything in the market. You can ask questions like, what will happen to my profit if Nifty goes up by 100 points? Or, how will my profit and loss change if volatility increases by 5%? You can also see the impact of time decay by moving the date forward. This feature is honestly like having a crystal ball that helps you anticipate future outcomes and prepare your exit plan in advance. It really turns you from a reactive trader into a proactive one. Furthermore, managing your trades is made easy with direct action buttons. Right from the Positions page, you can choose to exit your entire strategy or close individual legs of the trade with just a single click. Sensibull also provides smart alerts and suggestions for your open positions. For instance, if your trade is approaching its maximum loss or profit target, it might notify you. It can also suggest adjustments to your strategy if the market moves against you. This hand-holding support is honestly invaluable, as it helps you stick to your trading plan and make disciplined decisions rather than emotional ones, which is a key ingredient for long-term success in the market. Beyond the core features we've discussed, Sensibull offers a rich collection of tools designed to give you a competitive edge in the market. These tools are neatly organized under the Tools or Analysis section and cater to traders who love to dig deeper into market data. One of the most popular tools is the Open Interest, or OI analysis. This tool provides charts and data that show how OI is building up at different strike prices. By analyzing OI, you can identify potential support and resistance levels, as the highest OI concentrations often act as strong barriers for price movement. It helps you understand the collective sentiment of the market participants. Another incredibly useful tool is the PCR, or put-call ratio. The PCR is a sentiment indicator that is calculated by dividing the total open interest of puts by the total open interest of calls. Sensibull provides a live PCR chart for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Generally, a high PCR suggests a bullish sentiment, since more traders are buying puts for protection or selling them with a bullish view, while a low PCR suggests a bearish sentiment. Watching how the PCR changes throughout the day can give you clues about potential market reversals. It's a simple yet powerful indicator for gauging the overall mood of the market. For traders who want to understand market volatility, Sensibull provides IV charts. IV stands for Implied Volatility, and it represents the market's expectation of future price swings. The platform plots the India VIX, which is the volatility index, as well as the IV of specific options. Understanding IV is crucial because it directly impacts option prices. When IV is high, options are more expensive, which is great for option sellers. When IV is low, options are cheaper, which can be favorable for option buyers. The IV charts help you decide whether it's a good time to buy or sell options based on the current volatility environment. Finally, the toolkit includes an events calendar and a Greeks chart. The events calendar is a simple but vital feature that lists all important upcoming events, such as RBI meetings, inflation data releases, company financial results, and major global events. These events are known market movers, and being aware of them helps you avoid taking risky positions right before a big announcement. The Greeks chart, on the other hand, is for more advanced users. It visually plots how the Greeks, delta, gamma, vega, theta, of a particular option change with the underlying price, helping you to better manage the risks associated with your positions. These tools collectively empower you to make well-researched, data-backed trading decisions. One of the things I admire most about Sensibull is its deep commitment to trader education. They understand that providing powerful tools is only half the battle. Teaching people how to use them correctly is just as important. The platform has a comprehensive Learn section that is a goldmine for anyone who wants to improve their knowledge of options trading. This section is designed to cater to everyone, from someone who has never heard of a call or put option to an experienced trader looking to learn advanced strategies. The content is presented in various formats, including articles, short videos, and detailed webinars. For absolute beginners, Sensibull offers a free introductory course on options trading. This course breaks down complex concepts into simple, bite-sized lessons. It starts with the very basics like what is an option and what is a strike price, and gradually moves on to explain different types of simple strategies. The language used is very straightforward, and they use plenty of real-life analogies to make the concepts stick. This structured learning path is perfect for building a strong foundation. You can learn at your own pace, and they even have quizzes to test your understanding along the way. Beyond the basics, the platform offers a wealth of content through its blogs and video tutorials. The blog posts cover a wide range of topics, from market analysis and strategy breakdowns to risk management and trading psychology. These articles are often written by the founders and expert traders, offering practical insights that you can apply directly to your trading. The video library is also extensive, with short animated videos that explain specific concepts visually, making them easier to grasp. They also host live webinars with market experts, where you can learn advanced topics and ask questions directly. This continuous stream of fresh educational content ensures that you are always learning and growing as a trader. What makes Sensibull's educational approach so effective is that it is deeply integrated with the platform itself. For example, when you are using the strategy builder, you might find a small link or a Learn More button next to a strategy's name. Clicking on it will take you to an article or a video that explains that specific strategy in detail. This just-in-time learning is incredibly powerful because it provides you with the information you need, right when you need it. It bridges the gap between theory and practice, allowing you to learn a new concept and immediately see how it works on the platform. This holistic ecosystem of tools and education is what makes Sensibull a truly special platform for retail traders. A great analysis tool is only useful if you can act on its insights quickly and efficiently. Sensibull understands this perfectly, which is why it has focused on creating a seamless trading experience through deep integration with most major stockbrokers in India. This integration is the backbone of the platform. Sensibull is not a stockbroker itself. It is a technology platform that sits on top of your existing broking account. This means you can connect your account from brokers like Zerodha, Angel One, ICICI Direct, HDFC Securities, and many others directly to Sensibull. The setup process is usually very simple and takes just a few minutes. Once your broker account is linked, you can execute trades directly from the Sensibull interface. This is a massive advantage. Imagine you are analyzing the option chain or have just built a complex four-leg strategy in the strategy builder. Instead of having to switch to your broker's trading terminal and manually enter 4 separate orders, Sensibull allows you to place the entire strategy as a single basket order. With just one click on the trade button, Sensibull sends all the individual orders to your broker for execution. This not only saves a huge amount of time, but also significantly reduces the risk of manual errors, like entering the wrong strike price or quantity. The platform also offers a virtual trade feature, which is an excellent tool for practice. Virtual trading, or paper trading, allows you to place trades using virtual money instead of real money. This is a risk-free way to test your strategies and get comfortable with the platform's features. You can build a strategy, execute it in the virtual portfolio, and then track its performance as if it were a real trade. This is invaluable for beginners who want to gain confidence before putting their hard-earned capital on the line. It's also great for experienced traders who want to test a new experimental strategy before deploying it in the live market. In addition to these core features, Sensibull adds several smart touches to the trading process. For example, it provides real-time alerts for your trades. You can set up alerts for price targets, stop-loss levels, or even for specific market conditions. The platform also has a backtesting feature, which allows you to test your strategies on historical data to see how they would have performed in the past. Other quality-of-life features, like a dark mode for comfortable viewing and responsive customer support through chat and email, make the overall experience smooth and user-friendly. These thoughtful details show that the platform is designed with the trader's convenience in mind. So, after exploring all these features, let's summarize who Sensibull is best for. In my opinion, Sensibull is an ideal platform for two main groups of traders in India: beginners and intermediate traders. For beginners, it is perhaps the best entry point into the world of options. The platform successfully demystifies options trading by using simple language, providing ready-made strategies, and focusing heavily on education and risk management. Features like the strategy wizard, virtual trading, and clear display of max profit or loss on every trade provide a safe and supportive learning environment. It helps newcomers avoid common mistakes and build a solid foundation for their trading journey. For intermediate traders, those who understand the basics but want to level up their game, Sensibull offers a powerful set of tools without the overwhelming complexity of professional-grade software. The custom strategy builder, live profit and loss analysis with Greeks, OI analysis, and IV charts provide enough firepower to analyze the market deeply and manage complex positions effectively. The seamless integration with their existing broker means they don't have to change their setup. It helps them save time on analysis and execution, allowing them to focus more on refining their strategies and managing risk. It's the perfect bridge between basic trading terminals and highly advanced, expensive platforms. Sensibull operates on a freemium model. This means some of its features are available for free, while others require a paid subscription. The free plan is great for getting a feel of the platform and includes basic features like the option chain and access to some educational content. However, to unlock the full power of Sensibull, including the strategy builder, live position tracking, and advanced analysis tools, you would need to subscribe to their Pro plan. The pricing is quite reasonable, especially when you consider the value it provides in terms of risk management and time saved. For serious traders, the subscription cost is a small investment that can pay for itself by helping to avoid just one bad trade. In conclusion, Sensibull has successfully carved a niche for itself by making options trading accessible, understandable, and safer for the average retail trader in India. It's more than just a trading platform. It's a comprehensive ecosystem that combines powerful tools with high-quality education and robust risk management features. Whether you are just starting out and feeling curious, or you are looking to become a more disciplined and strategic trader, Sensibull is a tool that is definitely worth exploring. You can access it through its website or mobile app, which is available on both Android and iOS. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I wish you all the best on your trading journey. Happy investing!